Actually showing the outside first. You can get a really good video on Dave's channel. But we just all got done installing this Philco Ford Husky. I think I want to say 1972, 1973. It does utilize the Tecumseh B series, so it's definitely 72 or 73. I would say it's no later than 73 because that was the year they discontinued it. Yeah, most of the weight is on the back, so that's what you want. We definitely went overkill on these brackets. I was going to try to do it a little bit better, but we didn't have a drill bit, so we kind of rigged it up with self-tappers. It ended up working out pretty good. So the drain hole is going to be right there. I might even come out in a little bit, and once it has time to condensate a little bit, and get you a good draining video. But yeah, it looks pretty sick. I'm going to take a walk inside and show the inside of it. Hey, that's a big air conditioner. And obviously the Ford logo is not authentic, but it still looks pretty cool. Hey, that's badass looking. A real shame you can't see it from the street. Well, here's the inside. I know you can't really tell, but there is plexiglass there. Looks pretty sick. It is an air scan model, as any real Philco would be. Tell you what, it blows nice and cold too. This one still has the sticker on it. Like I said, you want the full video, see the one on Dave's channel.
I was about to say, an extra long cut.
Yeah, it was a good one. Oh, here's probably the most badass part about this whole entire installation.
Shall we do it?
Yeah, do it. That totally wigs me out though at the same time. That's awesome. But technically in a correct double hung window installation, the window itself is not supposed to support any of the weight of the unit at all. Look at this window. You don't want to put 200 pounds on that. It's probably closer to 170, 180, but I wouldn't say it's 200, but it's pretty close. You're pushing it. It's a 13,500 BTU model. But yep, that's it. I'll give you a quick 3-minute one. Dave's the real one. He's got probably close to, if not over an hour of footage. So about an hour.
Under, yeah.
There's some pretty good moments in, so I highly recommend checking it out.
Fun. Very fun.
Well, that goes without saying.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, that being said, catch you next time.